This way, you missed it. Unfortunately, the camera was not rolling, but there was some super awesome attempts at what appeared to be a line that not too many people had taken, but who knows. I failed, and I'm getting winched out now because we dug out all the rocks. Just keep pulling it. I have no pride left at this stage. We're already hooked up. Rich Dog's upside down, and friends helping friends. Everett came to the rescue in the trail of no touch, where we're trying not to flip our trucks over or hand to God, HOG. Good work. We're at the Blue Trail. We're about to head off into the abyss. It's a little bit of run here over the cliff. Rich estimated that we were, oh crap, that we were about halfway through. I'm counting that gate. Well, we were more than halfway, he says. I think I gotta stop right there. Oh, I'm upside. I'm right side up.
Your long distance crawling is very excellent.
Everett almost took himself out. Oh no, that was lame.
Whoa.
Are you gonna drive it back up, or are you gonna go get it, lady?
I'm gonna drive it back. I thought it was going off that ramp for sure.
So did I. got it. The cameraman is totally blocking his way down. He's gonna make it happen. He's gonna spider truck it. That is not the way. But Everett is gonna professor it. No touch!
Not this again.
I say turn down, no? There you go. Get the shot, get the shot, get the shot, don't worry. Is that the way down?
No, where he's standing is the way down.
Once again, the cameraman is blocking the way down.
Yeah.
I don't know if that counts. You touched the camera a little bit. Did you push my truck?
No.
Did your truck push my truck?
I'm fully serious right now. I didn't do anything.
So this is the long distance crawl challenge. We can stand here and drive our scalers.
And we're uphill, so we can't judge the angle.
Right. So we're kind of side hill. We're above the vehicle, and I'm already going downhill.
Going down the hill.
Right. So this is already going very poorly for the red Jeep.
The gate's over here.
It's okay.
At least you're pointed uphill. Though.
Right.
That's
Could
probably
be
better. You might have the advantage.
Yeah, suck it. You gotta go through the gate, buddy.
Just doing my thing over here.
All right, so I think I made it through the harder part. Now the trick is to not let Everett take me out, because he's a hammer. Rich.
No throttle input, no throttle input. Oh, he needs help.
Oh,
no touch.
We're gonna go get him. I'm gonna go get him.
Touchy touch. Damn, they're nerded out over there.
There's something crawling on my leg. All right, so red truck is slowly but surely moving. Oh, that was risky.
Oh, you need some glasses now.
Oh, shit. You pushed us both over.
I'm good.
Shit. Oh, no.
Oh, screwed that right. Yes, yes, no.
There you go. Alright, tell me to go slow.
I don't think I can go slow.
Are you full throttle right now?
No. So I'm stuck way down the hill.
Did you go through that gate yet?
I did.
Oh.
Yeah, I guess.
I went back to get Rich Dog instead of carrying on.
We've done the whole course so far without touching.
We have. Well, oh shit! Shit!
It's gonna start over. Start all over.
Crap!
Crap on a stick.
Great stuff.
I was so close, dude.
Second gate now.
Did you get the first one?
Oh no, now Rich is rolling. Now Rich is
no.
rolling.
Oh god. You have to try to dodge all like that?
Oh no, it's getting worse. Or at least he lined up like to drive straight at my truck.
I think he meant to do it.
I
I'll give him a 7.5 for style. There's a rock right there. Just so you know.
Uh-oh. Oh crap, it's just rolling and rolling. We're all like holding our breath.
I think I should just like start driving the Dodge back.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm gonna just start walking down.
For a closer look?
No touchy touch.
I'd rather finish no touch than long view.
Oh, is that a tree?
We're gonna go in for a closer look so that we stop making this terrible. I feel like some of the problem here is our distance from the vehicles and our lack of depth perception. So the professor's truck is way over there and Rich Dog's over here. And they're both of them are converging on my location. I'm ready. I can turn my wheels. All right. Good job, team. There's a lot of rolling over.
This is very steep hill.
It is much steeper than it appeared from up there. Whose idea was it to long distance crawl this?
Over here.
Oh.